whatever parabolas we have done, they had their vertex at 0, 0. Okay, that was the standard form of a parabola where the vertex for all the 4 standard parabolas were at 0, 0. Now, what happens when the vertex shifts to some other point? Suppose if the vertex of a parabola is at the point h, k and its latest rectum is of the length 4a. Irrespective of what parabola we are talking about, the length of latest rectum remains constant, which is 4a. And depending upon the value of a, the length of latest rectum will keep changing. Now, what has changed over here? Only the coordinates of vertex have changed. And what have those become? From 0, 0, they have now become h, k. Now, let us see the first point that they are talking about. That if the vertex has shifted to h, k and the axis is parallel to OX, that means the axis is parallel to the positive direction of x-axis. That means it is somewhat similar to y square is equal to 4x, because y square is equal to 4x also has its axis as the positive direction of x-axis. Now, if the parabola is similar to y square is equal to 4ax, but for y square is equal to 4x, what is the vertex? The vertex is 0, 0. So, when the vertex shifts to h, k, y is replaced by y minus k and x is replaced by x minus h. So, when the axis is parallel to OX, which is the positive direction of x-axis, the equation of the parabola with vertex at h, k will become y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Similarly, if the axis becomes parallel to the negative direction of x-axis, which is your OX dash, in that case, this parabola will be similar to y square is equal to minus 4ax. But this parabola has its vertex at 0, 0. So, to change the vertex to h, k, what we will do? We will replace y by y minus k and x by x minus h. And hence, this is the equation of the parabola with vertex at h, k and axis parallel to negative direction of x-axis. Coming to the third point says that if the vertex is at h, k and the axis is parallel to OY. What is OY? OY is the positive direction of y-axis. If the parabola has its axis parallel to the positive direction of y-axis, in that case we will say that the parabola is somewhat similar to x square is equal to 4ay. But the vertex has shifted to h, k, so the equation will become x minus h whole square is equal to 4a y minus k. Coming to the fourth point. The fourth point says that if the axis is parallel to OY dash. What is OY dash? OY dash means the negative direction of y-axis. Negative direction of y-axis means it is similar to x square is equal to minus 4ay. But the only change is what? That its vertex has shifted to h, k. So, the equation will now be x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a y minus k. So, these are the 4 parabolas with shifted vertex but somewhat similar to the standard parabolas that we have already